Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to explore is what you need to do if you need to basically put your data together. So here I've got, I've got my data from January, and then I've got my data from February and March. But it's coming at the end of quarter one, and I basically need to put them all together. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to January. I'm just going to copy my headings because the headings all need to be the same. So I just go across here to this one. So I'm just selecting these headings here, just the headings only. Do Control C, navigate down to copy and paste, and then I click down here and I just press Control V. It comes in here. Now, one of the things I've done as a little check is that over here I've put up my Count A formulas. So basically for January, I've done a Count A on the ID, because I know all of them will have an ID, and just get the total. And that'll be the way I can just check my entries when I go back here. Okay. So then I come back here to January. And what I need to do is, if you notice here, for example, this one, the KPIs and so on, they're actually linked to this data set, this one up here. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to do like a paste values. Okay, so I just highlight this bit here. And I just do Control, Shift and arrow down, Control and C. And then if I do to copy and paste, go over here to this one. And then I can come up here then, let's say to my home. I go to paste. And there's an option now that says paste values. Now what I want to do is I want to keep the formatting. See there are the values and the formatting. So I click this one because I want to retain my conditional formatting. And then I just highlight that bit there. And I'm actually thinking as I go through here, what I could do is just have a little check as we go through it. Okay, so I'm just going here, equals Count A, just for this one. Click on my ID, just do Control Shift arrow down once and then twice, and then just close it off and press Enter. Right. Okay, and there's my little check there. And I'll come back into February. And again, I don't need the heading, so I just highlight across from here, across to there, Control Shift arrow down, press Control C, back to my copy and paste. Now I need to do a Control arrow down to bring me down to the bottom. So I just click here, this bottom one, and then I come back up here to my paste, and I do the same paste values again, which is values and source formatting. There we go. And then I come to the third one here then, March, same thing again. Make sure I don't include the headings because I don't want the headings included. Just scroll across here, Control Shift arrow down, Control C, copy and paste. And again, I need to click into the data set, Control arrow down, and to the very last corner, and then I just do my paste up here. I choose my paste values. There you go. Right. Now I notice here for some reason I don't have my conditional formatting hasn't done. So what I do is I click here, go to my format painter, and then I just copy this all the way down. Just to get that conditional formatting on it. There we go. Just do Control Home, brings me up again. See there? Now my check is here, and this one is here. So I know at this point that my copy and paste has worked. Okay. I hope you find this useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.